Can RingCentral really replace your entire communication stack? When you think about business communication, you probably think about phones, right? That's what RingCentral built its name on, a powerful, cloud-based phone system. But in today's world, a phone call is just one piece of the puzzle. We're a remote-first, video conference-heavy, constant messaging kind of workforce. So, if you're considering a switch to RingCentral, or if you're already a user and you're not sure you're getting the most out of your plan, you're probably asking the same question I get all the time. Does RingCentral do video calls? The short answer is a resounding yes, and in a big way. But it's not just about a simple video call. RingCentral has evolved into a full-featured video conferencing and collaboration platform that competes directly with the biggest names in the game. What was once a phone-centric company has built a robust and integrated solution that brings video, messaging, and phone calls all under one roof. Let's break down what that actually means. The core of this functionality is called RingCentral Video. It's built right into the RingCentral app, whether you're on a desktop, a web browser, or your phone. This isn't a separate piece of software you have to download and manage. It's all there waiting for you to use it. You can do a quick, impromptu video call with a colleague with just a few clicks from a chat conversation. You can also schedule more formal meetings with a link that's easy to share with both internal and external participants. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, so joining a meeting is a breeze, even for people who aren't on RingCentral. They can simply join from a web browser without having to download a thing. So what kind of features are we talking about here? Well, a lot. Beyond the basic HD video and audio, you've got all the essentials you'd expect from a top-tier video conferencing tool. Screen sharing, for example, is a must-have for any business. RingCentral Video allows you to share your entire screen, a specific application, or even a presentation. And for those moments when you need to be more interactive, there's a digital whiteboard for live collaboration and annotation tools to mark up shared content. But where RingCentral really starts to shine is in the features that are built to boost productivity and save you time. One of the biggest game changers is the AI-powered meeting assistant. This isn't just a gimmick. It automatically generates transcripts and summaries of your meetings. You can even search for keywords or specific topics within a recorded meeting. Think about how much time you spend recapping meetings or trying to find a specific detail from a conversation a few weeks ago. The AI assistant solves that problem. Let's also talk about the seamless experience. A common frustration with other platforms is getting stuck on one device. Imagine you're on a video call on your desktop and you need to leave the office. With RingCentral, you can switch the meeting from your computer to your phone with a single click. The call doesn't drop, the video doesn't cut out, and you can continue the conversation without missing a beat. This is the kind of thoughtful integration that makes a real difference in a hybrid work environment. Now, for the important stuff, what are the limits and what does it cost? RingCentral has a few different plans, so the exact features and participant limits will vary. For instance, the free RingCentral Video Pro plan offers meetings for up to 100 participants, with a 50-minute time limit. This is a great starting point for small teams or individuals. If you need more, the paid plans, like RingCentral Video Pro Plus, expand your capabilities significantly. You can host meetings for up to 200 participants, and the time limit is extended to a full 24 hours. The paid plans also include more robust features like advanced analytics and integrations with other business apps. And if you're an enterprise with even bigger needs, RingCentral offers additional add-ons like RingCentral Rooms for setting up dedicated conference spaces and RingCentral Webinar for large-scale events with up to 10,000 attendees. It's clear that they've thought about every possible use case, from a one-on-one check-in to a company-wide town hall. So, to circle back to our original question, does RingCentral do video calls? The answer is not only yes, but also it's a core part of their entire business communication platform. RingCentral isn't just a phone company anymore. It's a unified communication hub. It's a platform designed to simplify your digital life, bringing phone, messaging, and video together in one place, with smart features that actually help you work more efficiently. It's about more than just seeing people's faces. It's about making your meetings and your collaborations more productive, more secure, and more seamless than ever before. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.